Do you feel that no matter how many to-do lists you make every day, but you're still not able to achieve your goals in a way you want? Well, I'm going to teach you one of the most amazing techniques which is going to help you achieve your goals faster on a regular basis. This technique is called intention setting exercise. Now, what is intention setting exercise? It sounds very jargonish, Well, intention setting exercise is something which you do every morning and it just takes 2 to 3 minutes a day. In this exercise, what you do is you first of all simply jot down whatever you are going to do throughout the day. You can break it into smaller actionable tasks. For example, you have a meeting with this person, or you're supposed to create content, or it can be anything, right? So you list down each and everything you have to do. It can be personal errands, it can be professional work, it can be meeting your family, etc. Now, after you jot it down, you sit in a very comfortable position and you visualize each of those activities in a way it is supposed to be done. You see yourself doing all the personal errands stress free. You see yourself going to a meeting and achieving whatever you wanted to achieve from that meeting flawlessly. You see you are creating fabulous content and using all your equipments and gears, no matter whatever you want, however you want it to be done. So write down everything and visualize one by one, and see by the end of the day you're going back to a very good night's sleep in your bed and you're completely happy about your day. As soon as you visualize that, that is called intention setting exercise. And when you do it on an everyday basis, you will have the confidence and you will have the energy that you can do all of what you have planned in a stress free manner and still can achieve all of it. Try this technique and let me know in the comments below how it has worked out for you. And do follow me for more such content.